A new report shows that 12 million jobs in Europe could be lost to automation by 2040, but in turn, new jobs will also be created. ZDNet's Owen Hughes has been looking into this. Owen, let's just go ahead and start. Give us a brief overview of this report.
Yeah, sure. So this is Forrester's Future of Job report, and it gave a forecast of kind of the trends they're seeing in automation and where machine processes can kind of might end up replacing some of the kind of mid-skill and low-skill manual jobs that are currently in the workforce. And the numbers are, pretty high. It says 12 million job roles could be lost to automation between now and 2040. And that's really going to impact people in kind of low and mid-skilled job roles. So thinking retail, food service, kind of hospitality, basically areas that where roles can be replaced by either robotics or things like software.
Okay, so that's going to lead me directly into my next question. Who are and what jobs are most likely to be lost to automation?
Yeah, so again, these are going to very much be kind of mid-skill routine jobs that can be performed by robots or software. So the people that are particularly at risk are going to be people who are working kind of casual contracts. So in the UK, there are 0 hours contracts, which don't guarantee any working hours, and also kind of low paid part-time work as well. And that actually constitutes quite a lot of the workforce roles in Europe. So in the UK, France, Germany, those kind of jobs make up between 30 and 40% of all jobs. So it is a sizable chunk of the workforce.
With this many jobs set to be lost, it tells you that a lot of companies are beginning to invest in automation. But why are companies starting to invest in automation?
Yeah, so there are a few factors really. I mean, productivity is one. So, no matter how you cut it, robots and software technology can perform repetitive manual tasks a lot better than humans can. So it kind of makes sense, and it's kind of the ongoing battle to remain competitive and efficient in a really kind of a technologically kind of rapidly advancing technological landscape. The second reason is purely because Europe has an aging workforce. So there are fewer people who are going to be able to do these roles. I think it was the figure of by 2050 there will be 30 million fewer people of working age in the European workforce than there are in 2020. So this is being really seen as a way of organizations kind of filling those skills gaps that they're going to lose as a result of an aging workforce.
And so obviously we've already said that a lot of jobs will be lost, but in turn, more jobs will be created. What other upsides are there to this?
So yeah, I mean, it's kind of important to step back and look at the entire picture. So again, 12 million jobs by 2040 is a pretty sizable sum of jobs, but it's not the case that there's going to be 12 million fewer jobs in the workforce in Europe. Same report says that 9 million jobs are also going to be created in kind of new and emerging sectors. So green energy is one, smart cities is another one. So, all taken together, that's 12 million jobs lost to automation potentially, but also 9 million new jobs being created. So that's actually just a loss of 3 million jobs between now and 2040. The caveat being that some people who lose their jobs won't, find new ones. So it could still be seen as a worrying figure. I mean, there's a lot of concern when it comes to automation, machine learning about, machines are going to take our jobs. Humans are going to end up, having no jobs to perform themselves. It's not really that case. It's a lot of businesses are looking at where they can replace some routine tasks with automated processes to speed up processes and make things more efficient. But at the same time, humans are still going to be needed. You're going to need to have people who can program these automated systems. You're going to have human oversight on kind of HR decisions and personnel and management. So a lot of organizations, as I said, are looking at where they can really fit machine skills and abilities with human oversight.
There's always a lot of concerns surrounding automation, but it seems like there are going to be plenty of upsides. All right, Owen, thank you so much for reporting on this. As always, we have a link directly to Owen's article. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stick with ZDNet for all things tech.